Alright everybody, nice! Well, the betting time is now closed. The best of luck to you, the mega lucky number for the round. 15 orange with 250 as the mega multiplier. Well, the best of luck to you. And here we go, let's go! Come on, let's get it. Let's get that mega win, mega win, mega win. Only mega wins here I want to see, if possible, please. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the winning result for this magnificent and incredible round is no other than...
It's open all the time. What else you got? Oh, you would not imagine what else I got. I'm backing many things. Bets are close for now. I'm joking. 15 orange with a 500 as a mega multiplier. Best of luck to you. There you go. Let's see if we are lucky enough, guys, to get this one as well. I'll be way more than happy to have this one, to be honest. Let's take a look at this one here. Whoa! We got a mega win! 15 orange with a 500. That's amazing. Yes! Nice. Let's spin the wheel again. Good luck here.
Alright, and the betting time is now closed. The best of luck to you, the mega lucky number for the round. 30 violet with 500 as the mega multiplier, and the best of luck to you. Here we go. Come on, let's get it. A 30 violet with a 500x. I can't say no to that. It would be amazing if we get a mega win with this one. It would be the max win, actually, right? That's where you can win up to 500 times your bet. And ladies and gentlemen, a winning result for this amazing round. Well, it is 30 violet and a mega win with 500x. Congratulations to all the winners. Wow. Amazing, ladies and gentlemen. And 2 mega wins in a row. Let's spin the wheel. Amazing, ladies and gentlemen. Incredible. Very nice. Yeah. Well, the betting time is now closed. The best of...
You can place your bets. So, ladies and gentlemen, as you are placing them, let's spin the wheel once again. Let's go for it. All right, no more bets. Let's see the mega lucky number for this round. Wow, look at this. 40 with 500x. Good luck, everyone. Let's see. Can we get it? 40 ping sounds nice. 500x sounds even better. But for that, we have to see the winning number. So the winning number for this round is going to be... All right, that's getting close. That's getting very close. Wow. Wow. Stop, please. Wow, look at this. 40 ping with 500x. Congratulations to the winning bets once again. Thank you so much for playing. Good luck in the next round. You can place your new bets. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's spin the wheel. Let's go. Wow.
What? I'm back to being open. All right, let's go for another spin. Good luck, everybody. What video games do you play? Mostly like the competitive Esports multiplayer video games. So Counter-Strike, League of Legends, Hearthstone. 30 violet mega lucky number for this round with 300 as the mega multiplier. Good luck to all of you. I used to enjoy survival games a lot, like Rust, DayZ, so on and so forth. I have like 300 hours in them, but mostly League of Legends and Counter-Strike, you know. Oh, do you play LoL as well? Nice. What's your main champion? What's your main champion? For me, it's Rise. He's my favorite champion, but it's oh! Hello? Very violet, 300. All right. Let's spin the wheel. Nice haul! Get in the bag. Come on, the bets are closed. 300x on 30 violet. 8